Hey YouTube, I'm Jonah and this is my wife Nancy. And we purchased this Ford Transit crew van to convert into a camper van. So join us in our few episodes in this amazing DIY transformation and some of our van life adventures. And if you're new to my channel and you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. So in our last episode, we went to Habitat for Humanity and picked up a sink counter and a sink cabinet. And Nancy beautifully painted it gray to match our van with special chalk paint. And then we attached the cabinet to the floor with the two brackets right here. And so last episode, one of our viewers mentioned that you didn't show how we attach the cabinets to the wall. So if you remember, we had a 2x4 that's bolted onto the wall that's holding up the bed frame. Then I screwed on a 2.5 foot 2x4 right on top of it. Added on another 2.5 foot 2x4 on top of that one. I had to do a 2-inch gap because nothing in this van is ever straight. And now those two pieces of wood is now used to support the back of the cabinet. So now I can screw in the back of the cabinet flush to the wooden support.
There's one right there. Another one right here. And further one down here. On the other side. Oh, let's see. On the other side here. There's another one right here. Also. So we got 3 screws to hold it back to the wall.
So now it's time to cut the counter to size. And since the cabinet is about 3 feet or 36 inches, we're going to cut the counter 40.5 inches, which is perfect because that's the distance between the bed frame and the rear of the crew cab seats. And as you saw, I put the blue tape where I'm going to do my cutting. This will help out with a smoother cut and less splintering. Also using those special blades that cut laminate countertops. I also screwed in this piece of wood at the back to guide my saw for a straighter cut. Just make sure your screws is short enough so it doesn't puncture the laminate side.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Yeah. What we got here? It's not a professional cut, but not bad for my first time cutting a countertop. Let's take a look. At least, oh, it's really good though. No chipping. I'm really happy with that. No chip, no chip, no chip. Nice. Did a nice cut, but I am off a little bit here.
That's okay. We'll sand it down.
How to, but it's not bad. I have to put a trim, pin it, and do a trim on it, but not bad for the first time. Nice, okay. Let's take out the, what is that?
Just an instruction how to put it in.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, still gotta do that too. Okay, cool. What do we got here?
The instruction, the mounting clips.
Sure. Okay, mounting clips, okay.
Here's the guide.
Oh, there's a guide. There's the... Ah, that's what we want. This is the guide. This is the piece of guide. This is what we're going to put on top. Okay.
Use this line for mount cut.
Yeah. Use this line here for mount cut. Okay.
Yeah, so top cut.
All right. Okay, I'll fold it. All right. Right, fits perfect. Okay, that's where actually we're gonna cut. There's the actual cut line.
Okay. So we're gonna use this as the guide now. This is exactly where we're gonna cut. So we're gonna trace it. We're actually gonna just tape around it. Let's get some more tape. Okay, so I got that done. I'm gonna put some tape in the corner. Then we're gonna use it as a template, flip it over, and then we're gonna see.
Now just lining it up, making sure the template's between the cabinet doors.
Looks good. How's that?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yep, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, so I lost the footage on the next part of the process, so I'll have to explain to you what's going to go on. So the first thing I did is I traced the stencil with a black marker so it's visible. And I drilled a hole on the center of the stencil. And with the green tape, I'm going to tape the area where I'm going to make my cuts. So with my circular saw, I'm going to cut the straight line first on each side. Then I'm going to cut the corners with a jigsaw last. Very similar process as when I installed the Max Air fan when I did the hole on the ceiling of the van. And as you can see, I already cut the 4 edges. And trust me, I did use the circular saw. And then I will use the jigsaw to do the 4 corners. And just remember, your sink has the 1/4 inch lip, so any little mistakes will be covered up by that lip. Therefore, cutting this hole will be a little bit more forgiving.
Action.
Alright, we just drew the, we put some more tape here, tape this area more so it doesn't scratch up the surface. Extra tape on the side so we don't scratch the surface, and then we just drew in the line using a stencil back, and we just put the line across here again. Our cut line. That's what we're gonna cut. Okay, let's do it.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Here we go. Nice. Ta-da! First time for everything. The cut looks pretty good. No chips, no chipping. Nice. All right, here we go. Okay, here's our cabinet and our counter all cut up. So let's do a dry fit. Okay, Nancy, just gonna put it on for us, and let's take a look. Oh, nice.
Here's the sink.
Here's our sink. We've got it.
Beautiful.
We've got it. Sweet. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. We're halfway there. And if you guys like my van build, check out my playlist. From the first day we bought the van, we installed the floor, the insulation, installed the max air fan, the walls, and the bed. So if you guys like my video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next episode.